everyone, welcome to the Dinstar product experience event. Today we're bringing you an unboxing video of the brand new G240 series IP phones. They feature stunning looks and powerful performance, extremely easy to operate even for beginners. There are three models in the G240 series: G240, G240P and G240W. They have the same appearance and accessories. Today we will use the popular G240P to show you the whole operation process. You can find all complete accessories right after unboxing. It is ready for immediate use with no extra items needed. The package contains one G240P IP phone, one handset, one stand bracket, one network cable, and one handset cord. The G240P supports power supply and does not come with a power adapter as standard, which is available as an optional accessory. The G240 and G240W do not support PO and are equipped with a power adapter by default. Let's check out its overall texture. It adopts a minimalist business design with rounded edges that won't scratch your hands. The buttons offer a comfortable touch, making it both elegant and practical for office use. After receiving the phone, simply check its appearance and interfaces to confirm no damage. Then you can start assembly. It is extremely easy. Assembly can be completed in 3 steps. Just follow my instructions. First, connect both ends of the handset cord, one end to the handset and the other to the RJ9 port on the back of the phone for a firm connection. Second, align the stand with the slot on the rear of the phone and push it to lock fur. It supports 2 adjustable angles for comfortable placement. Third, power on and connect to the network. The G240P supports both, so just plug in a network cable to realize network access and power supply at the same time for neat wiring. For non-PoE models, simply connect the power adapter for plug and play use. In response to environmental protection concepts, the G240 series is not equipped with paper manuals. You can contact your suppliers or visit the official Dinstar website to download the free electronic quick installation guide, which is easy to understand even for beginners. That's the complete unboxing and installation process of Dinstar G240 series IP phones. Featuring minimalist design, easy installation, and stable performance, it works perfectly for corporate offices, call centers, and store scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please refer to the electronic manual or contact official technical support. See you next time.